Hello and welcome to your Daily 5. I found this video of some cute puppies playing in the snow. Check out this amazing first-person footage of two guys doing parkour.
I wreck my soul, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, I
What? This guy was crazy lucky. He was filming, and as he was filming, he got shot at. Luckily, the shot hit his GoPro. A mountain biker was out riding. Suddenly, he stumbles upon a bear. Those were the Daily 5s for this time, but if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a bunch. Thank you for watching.